So apparently the GoPro was on a time lapse. Sorry. We got everybody loaded up. I think we only had one fatality. Not a cat. It wasn't a kid. And that was good. That was awesome. We got to brush the bees off. They were very calm, non-threatening. What's the word? Docile. They were docile.
Yep.
The bee supply store was very nice. They showed us the queen. The queen looked big and healthy and mobile. So now we're gonna go grab some lunch.
Here at the Lake Gulch house.
I think it was.
And so we had Harbor and Grayson, which means, and I went up north somewhere.
Probably like Cheyenne.
And I probably had like one kid on my front and one kid on my back. Went up and grabbed my package of bees. And so it would have been like
Grayson was probably like 6 months old.
About like younger than Breslin and Zayden. And I don't think they remember that. And then there was another time I went to go get 2 packages. I'm still trying to remember what year that was. I'm gonna have to look it up. Anyway, do you remember going to get bees ever?
Yeah.
Really?
I remember going to when there was a tent over them, just like
Yep.
like a white tent.
White tent. Yep.
It didn't go all the way down the sides, but it was at the top.
Yep.
There's a picture of a bee on it, and then it looked almost like that, but I'm pretty sure that the containers were white, not wood.
No.
I think all of the containers have been wooden that we've gotten. Anyway, so yes, I agree that it's fun that the kids can participate.
What's even funner is that you actually invited me along this time. I think it's probably because you don't drive anymore.
I needed a chauffeur.
But 10, 12 years ago, you hated me, and you were like, ugh. And I was probably like, ugh. And how silly I was back then to realize how awesome you still were. But I didn't realize that.
I did all of the... disclaimer, I totally would have invited him. I know I invited you to everything, and you just never either A, wanted to, or B, thought you had the time because you had to work.
Boy, if I could go back and have a conversation with myself 10, 15 years ago. But that's okay, we're here now.
I did all of it. Like I picked up the goats by myself.
Oh, yeah,
every chicken order I picked up by myself.
Yeah, everything, yeah. Superwoman. Now I know why everybody used to think you did everything. You did everything.
So yeah, like that was
painless.
I think I'm pretty impressed that there's not any bees flying around in here.
Oh, we did a darn good job. I mean, I was moving that thing around, and Grayson was hee-haw and hoo-haw. No bees. All right, we're gonna go get lunch.
Yep, you got me.
Building beehives in our backyard. The bees are right there. So I don't know if you can see them.
Oh, baby girl. You say thank you?
I was sitting there flicking the bees off of the hive.
How far is your property go over? About where the grass is mowed.
Wow, she gave you a ball? That's amazing.
Oh, I enjoy it. That was the last gift.
How did it go?
Same. Good point. What is that?
It's mint.
Is it a mint?
Yep.
You gonna eat it?
Smell it.
Yep. Smells like mint.
here. And I've never seen these like as many of these as this. Wow. I'm super excited.
Dead.
I will pound off a potion.
Yeah.
You do 2 and I'll do 2. There's 8. You do 4 and I'll do 2.
How are you going to get your hands up above a 7-foot post? Say step stool.
Dad,
How you doing?
good.
Cool.
So we're here. Dad, can I bang it in somewhere?
Nope, that's good. Just what it is. So now we're laying out our fence posts for what we want to do. We measured out. We want to put one more hive where the kids are. And basically what I'm trying to do is keep everything as parallel as possible, which is kind of tricky, but we're going to do our darndest.
And say hi, Hank. Hey, Hank.
Stop. We can move. We can recoil back.
And right now,
Moving.
doing zone out. So, Asher's right there. Asher, say hi.
Constant force.
He cannot move. Well, he can move, but he can't. He have to stay still to keep the string steady.
Now we need to measure from this line to this line to make sure that that's 94, and then I'm going to check square here. Yeah, you guys, what do you guys think? Boomerang trick. I'm talking about getting this thing square. What do you think? Awesome. That's worth it, right?
Yeah.
Totally worth it, because you don't want to come out to your apiary. Apiary? Apiary? I don't know. And have the fence be wonky, right? Please don't put that there. You'll forget about it. Thank you. All right, we'll check back in later. Okie doke. It is proven to be a little bit more complicated to get 3, 4, 5 to get it square than not, especially when you're working with like. Hold on, I got a boomerang. Oh my goodness. He just threw the boomerang and it went like 200 yards that way. Let's get back in our yard. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? Getting this square has been proven to be a little bit more difficult, especially with having a bunch of kids rolling around. Christy went up and took a nap. So, kind of got this one. Get that set up. Looks pretty square. November 18th, 1985. 1.21 gigawatts.
It is May 4th, and most of the snow has melted from our storm yesterday.
Gosh, it's heavy.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Lincoln.
Here comes Mini Beekeeper
You call me Marty, you call me Doc.
Yeah.
in his flip flops.
Marty.
Stop.
Okay, let's go. You're wearing flip flops.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I like it.
Oh, here comes the little mini beekeeper. Hey, birthday girl. She has no shoes on.
You're messing.
You're gonna be freezing.
We're gonna stop the bear with a string.
I'm a bear. Whoa! The pink string.
Where's the other box?
Second batch. Can you order my suit soon?
Does it look like I have protected?
No, not at all.
Do you have any like medicine so you get stung?
Nope.
So what's gonna happen to us when we get stung?
Hopefully you're not allergic.
Oh my! I'm getting out!
None of us are allergic, like really allergic, so I don't think you'll have to worry. This is how things happen in a house when you have, there's 9 to 11 to 12 of us. 9, including Kevin, I, and the 7 kids. 11 includes my parents who live with us, and 12 includes that baby that's gonna come out one of these days. And things move slowly. Very slowly. Where is the other box? Like the package of bees is? Oh, there it is.
Oh boy. I really don't want to get stung.
There's a process. Okay, the way this works is we're going to take this top off. Okay? We're going to take this canister out. This is our little bee, our queen incubator. Okay? We're going to pull her out, check her out, make sure she's good. And she's going to hang out in my pocket for a few minutes. Okay? Then we dump the bees. I just haven't put it on yet.
Do you have a marshmallow?
No, we're going to do it.
We're just going to release them manually.
Pull the cork. Okay, one of the most important parts when you're installing bees is make sure that you're adequately stretched out. Check. And with the contestants.
She doesn't know to cry or giggle.
You got a buzzy bee? Do you see that bee? Oh, Zayden, no. Babe, get the sugar water from Zayden.
Look at this. This is like really big.
That's huge. That's crazy.
Check out Marty.
Marty?
Yep. I'm naming all of them Marty.
No,
Did the other one have any in it too? Yeah, both of them did. All right, don't bring all those buzzy bees over here. Daddy's got to help you get cleaned up. Cutest little beekeeper ever. I am not. Yeah, I don't like bees on my head.
no.
At all. You're a brave little boy.